Today we are going to deal with graphs. Alright, means what actually is a linear equation in two variables. Suppose if I write ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is this actually representing? It is representing a straight line. Now that we are going to see today. Alright, and the question in front of you is draw the graph of the line 2y is equal to minus x plus 6. Alright, so I am sure before we start, otherwise you pause the video, get the graph paper, pencil and eraser so that you can understand and do it parallelly with me. So I am supposed to draw the graph of this line. Now what is a line? Line is nothing but, see, if you join these 2 points, what you get is a line. In fact, on this line there are infinite points which have a linear relationship between x and between y. If there is a linear relationship between x and y, what graph you get is a straight line. And to draw a straight line, you just require any 2 points, and if you join that, what you get is a straight line. So I have to draw the graph of this line. In order to draw the graph of this line, first what I am going to do is I am going to draw the table for 2y is equal to minus x plus 6 or y is equal to minus x plus 6 by 2. Alright, so I write x here and I write y here. I make a table. Alright, and what is y is equal to minus x plus 6 by 2, and then I will write x comma y. X comma y is a ordered pair. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take any 2 values, right? 2 values is more than enough. If you are interested, you can take another 2 values also. But what I am going to do here, I am going to take randomly x is equal to 0. For x is equal to 0, what is the value of y? Y is equal to minus 0 plus 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is equal to what? 3. So what is the answer? 0 comma 3. Next, for x is equal to, after 0 you can take any other values. Let us say if I take 1, what will happen if I take as 1? It will be minus 1 plus 6. What is minus 1 plus 6? 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. So 2.5 is a rational value. You try your best to get a whole number. Means the number should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of 2.5 or 2.75, a rational number, you try to get a whole number. So you have every choice. Since you are selecting these values on your own, you make a substitution wherein which you try to get a whole number. If it is not possible, leave it, not a problem. But try to get a whole number. So instead of 1, I will go with substitution of x is equal to 2. When I put x is equal to, what will happen? Y is equal to minus 2 plus 6 by 2. What is 6 minus 2? 4. What is 4 by 2? 2. So the ordered pair will be what? 2 comma 2. So these 2 values are sufficient for me to draw the graph of this particular line. Now what am I going to do? I will take the graph paper. In the center of the graph paper, I will say this is x-axis and I will say this is y-axis. Now there is 1 centimeter. This is called 1 centimeter. Alright, 1 centimeter markings will be there. Now on this x-axis, I will take a scale. Scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on x-axis. It is your choice. You can take 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units also. But if you take 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units, here it will be 0. After 0 next comes 5. After 5 next comes 10. Like that. But because 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit you have taken, after 0 you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. And similarly on the x-axis, negative part of the x-axis, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3 and so on. Same way, I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on y-axis. 1, I'll write 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on y-axis. Y-axis. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. Alright. Similarly in the negative part of the y-axis you write minus 1, you have minus 2, you have minus 3, you have minus 4. Now once you do that plotting, once you do that scaling work, what you have to do is you have to plot. Now where is 0? For x is equal to 0, where is 3? For x is equal to 0, what is the value of y? 3. So I will cross this, I will mark that point. Next, when x is equal to 2, what is y value? 2. Y value is also 2. When x is equal to 2, corresponding y value, you must check these 2 lines intersecting. What is y value? 2. Now once you have plotted 2 points, it is sufficient. No, if you are interested, you may go further with additional values. Instead of 2, no, I will go for 4. Y is equal to minus 4 plus 6 by 2. What is minus 4 plus 6? 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is equal to what? 1. So what do you get? 4 comma 1. Now for x is equal to 4, y value is equal to what? 1. For x is equal to 4, y value is equal to 1. Can you see? Now if you observe very carefully, you can take a scale and just draw a line joining these two. If you want, you can extend this as well, right? And what you get is the graph of this line. And since it is a line, you must have an arrow pointing this side, you must have an arrow pointing that side. So don't you feel, children, how simple it is? So this was just a simple question where the graph of a line is asked for you to be drawn, and then in the next question, what we are going to do is, on that line, for the value of x is equal to so and so, what is the value of y? Such kind of questions also you will come across. So I want you to pause the video and then we'll go for the next problem. Alright. Yes, children, the next question in front of you. Draw the graph of 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. This is a line. And then once you draw, find the solutions from the graph. From the graph, when y coordinate is 3, what is x value? Whose x coordinate is minus 3, what is y value, right? And from the graph, the question is, from the graph, find the solutions from the graph, whose y coordinate, alright. Now, solution, what am I going to do? I will say, table for 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now you have to write in terms of y. 3y is equal to 12 minus 3x, or y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 2. So now I write x here, and then I write y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 2. Alright. Now what? This is x comma y. As I have told you, 2 points are sufficient for us to find, and usually you have to see that you get a whole number for our clarification. Now usually I'll go with x. What is x is equal to? I'll take x is equal to 0. When I take x is equal to 0, what is y is equal to? 12 minus 3 into 0, 0 by 2, means 12 by 2. What is 12 by 2? 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So your ordered pair is 0 comma 6. Now some other value of x you can try. Now this time I will try x is equal to 2. If I take x is equal to 2, you can try with 1. What is 12 minus 3? 9. 9 by 2 is 4.5. I don't want a rational number, I want a whole number. So I'll go with 2. 2 3s are 6. Now what will I get? Y is equal to 12 minus 2 3s are 6 by 2. What is 12 minus 6? 6. 6 by 2 is equal to what? 3. So what will I get? 2 comma 3. 2 points are sufficient for us to draw a line. Now what am I going to do? I am going to take this as x-axis, horizontal line of reference. This is y-axis, vertical line of reference. And to make things simple, I will write the scale. Make sure that you always write the scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. See, it is not compulsory that you should take 1 unit. Based on the values you obtain, let us say you are getting huge values, then you must extend the units as well. You can take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units or 4 units or 3 units if you get huge values, bigger values. So let us move forward. I will take, this is 1 centimeter, 1 unit, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, in your graph paper you will get more accurate. This is just a rough work I am doing. Minus 3, minus 4. This is 0 and then followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Alright. So, plot. For 0, you have 6. When x is equal to 0, what is y value? Y value is 6. I put a cross mark here. When x is equal to, what is y value? 3. So, 2 comma 3. This is 2 and this is 3. Now once you get these two values, take a straight line, scale and try to draw. See, I have drawn this on a rough note, right, on my board. In your graph you will get more clear and accurate picture. So my job of drawing a straight line is done. Now next part of the problem is, if y coordinate is 3, what is x? Alright, on the line, when y coordinate is 3, as per the value, see, this is the relationship. In the rough work, if y is equal to 3, for y is equal to 3, 2x plus 3 into 3 is equal to 12. 2x is equal to 3, 3 is a 9. You have 12 minus 9, 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 1.5. So y is equal to 3. Now what you do, you take y is equal to 3, take a scale and draw a line y is equal to 3. Right? Now you see y is equal to 3, where is it intersecting? It is intersecting here. From here you drop a line perpendicular on x-axis. Now this, what is the value you note? Approximately this value will be 1.5. So, and what is this value? Y is equal to 3. For y is equal to 3, what is the value of x? 1.5. And in the rough work, what is the answer you got? 1.5. So from graph, you have found out the value of x. So I will write from graph for y is equal to 3, x is equal to 1.5. Let us see the next numerical. When x coordinate is minus 3, in the rough work, see, if x is equal to minus 3, what is y value? If x is equal to minus 3, you put here 12 minus 3 into minus 3 by 2. What is minus minus plus? 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 12 is 21 by 2. And what is 21 by 2? 10.5. Now let us see how do you find that using graph. X is equal to minus 3. Here, x is equal to minus 3. When I told y is equal to 3, you must draw a line parallel like this. When I said x is equal to minus 3, you have to draw a line. You have to draw a line what? Perpendicular on x-axis. And it will intersect somewhere here. Now from here you find out what is y value. This is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, and this will be 10.5. So y is equal to 10.5 you will get for x is equal to minus 3. So I'll write for x is equal to minus 3, what is y value? 10.5. So in graphs, the solutions can be obtained like this. Again I repeat, if y coordinate is 3 means you will draw a line parallel to x-axis. If x coordinate is minus 3, when you want writing x coordinate, you will draw a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means it will be perpendicular to x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis means perpendicular to y-axis. Please make sure that you do the problem in this way, and the solutions in the graph can be obtained so easily. So I want you to practice more and more, and we will come with more numericals in the next class. Keep your graph, pen, paper ready for the next class as well. Thank you, bye-bye, and take care.